Have you ever wondered what influences our daily thoughts, emotions, and behaviors? In this journey, we will delve into the complex and captivating world of psychology, unraveling the mysteries that lie behind our simplest actions to the most complex choices. Welcome to our fascinating exploration of psychological facts. Psychology, much more than a simple academic discipline, is the keystone that illuminates human interactions, revealing the subtle motives that guide our decisions and reactions. Psychological facts, those fundamental principles that govern our minds, are omnipresent in our daily lives, shaping our relationships, our perceptions, and even our judgments. In this video, we'll delve into the twists and turns of psychological facts, exploring their relevance and impact in various areas of life, whether it's advertising, politics, interpersonal relationships, or even education. But first, what exactly do we mean by psychological facts? And why are they so essential to understanding human behavior? Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the human psyche and together discover the fascinating truths behind psychological facts. First point, women and emotions. Emotional differences between the sexes have long been a topic of debate and research in psychology. Studies have shown that women and men tend to process emotions differently. On the one hand, women have often been described as being more emotionally expressive, more willing to share their feelings and seek social supports. This propensity to express emotions openly can help strengthen social bonds and promote more open communication. On the other hand, research suggests that women are generally more sensitive to emotional cues in their environment. Their ability to subtly perceive and interpret emotional signals can influence their behavioral responses and social interactions. However, it is important to note that these generalizations do not apply to all women or men. Individual and cultural differences play a significant role in how emotions are perceived, expressed, and managed. These nuances in the processing of emotions between the sexes have profound implications in various aspects of daily life. For example, in interpersonal relationships, women's ability to express their emotions can promote more empathetic communication and more effective conflict resolution. Likewise, in the professional field, women's emotional sensitivity can help them understand the needs and motivations of their colleagues, thus promoting a more harmonious and productive work environment. Definitely, understanding emotional differences between the sexes allows us not only to appreciate human diversity, but also to cultivate more enriching interpersonal relationships and more inclusive social environments. In 2, female perception and cognition. Studies of female perception and cognition have revealed fascinating nuances in how women process information and make decisions compared to men. On the one hand, research suggests that women often have a more detailed and holistic perception of their environment. Their ability to notice subtle details and integrate contextual information can influence their decision-making, allowing them to weigh different factors with a more holistic approach. On the other hand, differences in female cognition also manifest in the area of risk-taking and problem-solving. Studies show that women tend to take fewer risks than men and adopt problem-solving strategies that place more emphasis on collaboration and finding mutually beneficial solutions. These gender differences in perception and cognition are reflected in many aspects of daily life. For example, in social interactions, women may be more attentive to the nonverbal cues and emotions of others, which often makes them more empathetic and sensitive to the needs of those around them. Likewise, in professional contexts, this more holistic approach to problem-solving can lead to more considered decisions and better conflict management. Additionally, gender differences in perception and cognition can have a significant impact on how women interact with technology and media. For example, research has shown that women tend to adopt more cooperative and mutually supportive learning strategies when using technology tools, which may influence the design and accessibility of digital products. Finally, gender differences in perception and cognition enrich our understanding of human diversity and allow us to adopt more inclusive approaches in all areas of life, from product design to solving social problems. Third point, social influence and interpersonal relationships. Research on social influence and interpersonal relationships highlights the complex dynamics in which women operate and shape their social environments. On the one hand, Studies show that women are often more sensitive to social influences and cultural norms than men. Their behavior and choices can be strongly influenced by their social network, their peers, and the societal expectations imposed on them. On the other hand, interpersonal relationships among women are often characterized by a strong emphasis on empathy, cooperation, and mutual support. Female friendships tend to be deeply rooted in emotional sharing and solidarity, which can have a significant impact on women's emotional and mental well-being. These unique relational dynamics also influence women's social behaviors in various contexts. For example, in the professional domain, support networks among women can play a crucial role in career progression and professional empowerment. Likewise, in daily interactions, women may adopt behaviors more focused on collaboration and building lasting relationships. Additionally, research shows that women often have a central role in spreading social norms and prosocial behaviors within their communities. Their ability to build strong connections and positively influence those around them can drive meaningful social change and promote a culture of compassion and inclusion. Thus, understanding social influence and relational dynamics among women is essential to understanding the complexity of human interactions and promoting more egalitarian and caring social environments. By recognizing and valuing the unique role of women in building healthy and resilient communities, we can work together towards a future where everyone feels heard, supported, and included. To finally conclude on the subject, in this exploration of psychological facts about women and human behavior, we have delved into the fascinating nuances of the female psyche, shedding light on the emotional, cognitive, and social differences that shape interactions daily. From the way women process emotions to their unique perception of the world around them, we have discovered the multiple dimensions that enrich our understanding of human diversity. When thinking about these concepts, it is crucial to recognize that each individual is unique, and that generalizations never fully capture the richness of the human experience. However, by exploring these topics with openness and curiosity, we can deepen our understanding of the dynamics that underpin our social and personal interactions. So I encourage you to continue exploring these topics, to stay curious and open to new perspectives. By cultivating a deeper understanding of psychological facts and their impact on human behavior, we can enrich our relationships, foster social inclusion, and help create a world where everyone feels heard, supported, and valued. Always remember that psychology is a lifelong journey of learning and discovery, and that each new knowledge acquired brings us one step closer to understanding ourselves and others. Thank you for joining us in this exploration, and I encourage you to continue your journey toward a deeper understanding of the human psyche.